LGBT community is fighting for their constitutional rights in India. We spoke to some of the members of this community to know more about them, about how they feel, about how they face discrimination, and how they deal with widespread misconceptions about them. We should not forget that before being lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender, they are humans, just like the rest of us.
Hey, I'm Siddharth Singh. I'm a law student from Delhi University.
My name's Kunal. I'm a college dropout.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya Subramanian.
My name is Deepak Saxena and I am a lawyer at Supreme Court of India.
मेरा नाम दीप है और I'm a journalist.
My sexual orientation is gay.
Bisexual.
I'm a proud lesbian and a gender fluid.
My gender identity exactly is gender fluid.
I'm a queer as a lesbian.
I don't feel scared because people are going to judge us anyway. Me or any other heterosexual, homosexual, any other human being. So if you're being scared of what you are, then there's no point of being what you are.
In a country where you are gay, where you are like socially you're not acceptable and legally you're a criminal. So कौन बंदा open होना चाहेगा? कोई बेवकूफ़ी होगा या फिर जिसको अपने आप पे बहुत भरोसा होगा कि वो ऐसा है?
I have stopped caring.
For the people who I get worried about, or for the people who I care, most of them are not going to judge me because they care about me as well. But if they judge me, I try to convince them. I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, 2 days. Like my mom took about a week to get convinced.
लोगों की मेंटालिटी होती है अपने आप लोगों को जज करना, चाहे वो किसी भी ओरिएंटेशन से हो। लेकिन हाँ, अगर बात हमारी आती है एज अ क्वेयर या एज अ लेस्बियन, तो उन लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती है जिनसे हमारा सीधे ताल्लुक नहीं है।
I definitely do, but I cannot blame people for it because this is something they are not aware of, and generally when people are not aware of something, they tend to either run away from it or mock it off, and that's what people do. So discrimination is something very expected towards our community.
जहाँ मैं बैठता था बच्चे सारे वहाँ से उठ जाया करते थे. They totally isolated me, segregated me totally. जो मेरे दोस्त मेरे संग बैठते भी थे तो लोग बोलते थे अबे तो गे है, संग बैठेगा तो गे बन जाएगा तो.
If I wear something feminine, out of 10 people, at least 9 are going to discriminate. Like some are going to give me stares, some are going to give me rude comments. 1 or 2 are even going to like try to intimidate me to do something, to provoke me to do something, to react.
I'm openly gay, so people like कि अबे भाई ऐसे कैसे तू बन गया ये सब वगैरह. They were like कि जैसे कि मैं बैठा भी हूँ normally किसी के साथ, so अबे ये तो वैसा है यार, ये तो वैसा है. When I came out in my like college when I was doing my graduation, I kind of like a guy. I told him through Facebook, I like you buddy, it doesn't matter that you're straight or bi, I like you, simple as that. So जब मैं college गया उस बंदे ने मेरे को पकड़ा and they showed me to the ground and he was like तू gay है? So I said I'm bisexual.
Section 377 is a part of a larger act which is Indian Penal Code 1860. That time British were here, so this act was actually designed by British people.
There's no reason to have 377 anymore anyway. You know, people who actually made 377 have removed 377, you know.
For rape against women, we have 376 IPC. For rape against men, 377 is a very good section. We should not repeal it as a whole, but I'm one of that person who wants it to be amended. So I want to add this word consensual sex.
एक नाम है जो हमारी कम्युनिटी को दे दिया गया है कि 377 सेक्शन है, इसके तहत इनके ये अधिकार आते हैं या इसके तहत इनके ये अधिकार नहीं आते.
To realize something, you need to mold yourself into something, and for that you need to know about something. And that's exactly what is required from our society, to let people know.
I don't want your acceptance, alright. If you don't want to accept us, that's totally fine with us, ठीक है? But don't go against us. We pay taxes, we live like general citizens. We are not illegal people. We don't do any illegal activities. We don't hurt people.
अभी हम बात करें इंडिया की तो basic चीज़ is like acceptance चाहिए हमें.
Honestly, need the society to chill out. Just like smoke a joint.
जो मेरा है उसे मैं मांगू क्यों?
As of now, I basically want society to just mind their own business.
Initially no, but eventually yes. My sister and my best friends are my best support. My parents, well, they try to understand, but it's difficult for them because of the generation gap, you can say.
They were passionately hating me for, you know, I came out as gay first because I was like, you know, I could be gay. Then they were like completely not happy with that. They were like, they lost all hope. They told me like, we don't have any hope for you, you know, even though I never gave them any reason to complain about me.
पापा मम्मी तो they don't want to understand this first of all. उन्हें लगता है भाई गे है मतलब छक्का। तो जब अपने दोस्तों को मैंने बताया इस बारे में, so they were like, सिद्धार्थ तू नहीं ऐसा। पर बाद में लोगों ने पढ़ा इस बारे में, so they were like, सिद्धार्थ that's fine. Even if you're gay, that's fine. We are straight, you're gay, that's fine. तू लड़के देख, मैं लड़कियाँ देखता हूँ।
I felt a lot of it, like sheer hostility from my family. And they were worried about what, you know, what the society would think.
I'm out to my mother. She is not rejecting me, but not supporting me.
People feeling that the world would end and like ye bimari and all that, I don't take them seriously, because in the end, your opinion will not affect me or harm me in any way unless you get like aggressive or anything. You can keep screaming because the country gives you the right.
थोड़ा सा वक्त दो अपने आप को, अपनी कम्युनिटी के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों से मिलो, बात करो, अपने आप से बाहर निकलो और सच में ये जानने की कोशिश करो कि आप गलत नहीं हो।
डजंट मैटर आप गे हो, बाइसेक्सुअल और ट्रांसजेंडर हो, कुछ भी हुआ, मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि आप जो भी हो बस बी हू यू आर, सिंपल एज दैट।
First of all, do not be scared of anything. The comments are going to come till the end. The mockings are going to be there, and people are going to let you down. People are going to leave. But at the same time, remember, people who stay are worth it.
बस आपको एक बात समझने की ज़रूरत है हमें, बाकी एक्सेप्टेंस तो अपने आप आ जाएगी।
हम अलग हैं लेकिन गलत नहीं है।
हाय, माय नेम इज़ अशोक कामकरा। नाम
ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब हम मेट्रो टूर में जा रहे होते हैं, हम बातें करते हैं बिहार टोन में।